Hi, it's Monica with a new review from one of Oakville's favorite businesses, brought to you by localfavorite.net. Looks like a good one too. So here it is in the client's own words.
Here's a review of By the Lake Books, a great little store on Lakeshore right on the edge of Oakville and Burlington. I met Anna at By the Lake Books while searching out a good home for my downsizing book collection. In her cheerful, matter-of-fact way, she assured me that my books could have a new life through her store's customers. And then she even shared a neat trick on how to figure out the best cookbooks, too. Something tells me I'll be building up my collection again, a little at a time. That's from me, Anthony Marizzi, an Oakville-based pro writer and a voracious reader.
Well, that looks like good news. Isn't it about time that you checked out this local business and localfavorite.net too?